Are you interested in exploring new avenues for creative expression? It is not uncommon to work within a particular medium for an extended period and feel the desire to broaden one's horizons. However, it can be challenging to determine how to proceed once one has decided to do so. Our guidance and resources are designed to help you explore different mediums and find the one that best suits your needs and aspirations. Our extensive collection of valuable guides offers advice on various topics, including the art business, painting, drawing, and more. We aim to assist you in your creative journey by providing a wealth of information and expertise to draw upon. We encourage you to visit our website frequently as we continue to enhance and update our existing articles. Click any image below to access the articles of interest. Dart tutorials cover pencils, paints and pastels. They are created for artists of all calibers. We offer tutorials specifically for beginners and others for intermediates, but we write them so any artist can easily follow regardless of caliber. We also welcome artists who would like to submit tutorials to this website and are open to other mediums not provided here. Any artist wishing to submit their own mini tutorial, written form only, you can find out more at our guide for article idea.